Welcome back to the channel. My name is Brad, and in this video we're going to cover what could be the easiest and simplest modification you can do to your off-road trailer, camper, RV, or even your off-road vehicle if you have lights on it. A lot of these trailers and campers come with exterior lights, and most of them are white. Well, while the white light is fantastic for lighting everything up, but it also attracts lots of bugs. So one of the things you can do is you can get yellow film to put on your lights. It's about $10 on Amazon, and it takes about 30 seconds to install. And now we have a nice yellow light, still lights everything up quite well, and should not attract any bugs. I'll also put a link for what I used on my lights down below in the description. It's not an affiliate link, but it's just a link to help you out if you want to do the same thing to yours. If you like these kind of tips and tricks, please make sure to subscribe. Thank you for watching.